Hello,
Ladies and gentlemen, just
everybody.
3 races
This is
left
Random
in the
Reactions. I believe this
MSRC.
is
We
number
welcome you here to the
20, which
home
is
of one of the
kind of
best
epic.
teams in the league this season,
And this
the
is
Camo Hiders,
Chameleon
Chameleon
Crossroads? Question
Crosspaths.
mark. Chameleon
An
Crosspaths.
absolutely
Okay.
chaotic race where anything can happen.
Hosted by the
I am
Camo
back in
Hiders,
the
and we do
booth,
have
and
invisible track
kicking
parts for
things
this one,
off
so it's going to
is
be
the
very
home team
chaotic
hero.
and perhaps
Funnily
a complete
enough,
disaster.
it
We'll
is
see.
Hero. The Camo
Hero
Hiders send
of the
5th
Camo Hiders.
overall, but with Starry Sky
Ooh,
and basically
very
all of the teams in front of
nice
them having
first
used
turn
their
there. That's
best
going to be
racer,
interesting.
Hero might
Kind of a
be one of the best
cloverleaf right
racers in the
there.
entire field this
The
race.
end of sector number
Even
one.
if
It's
it
about
has not been
13.6 seconds
as
there
great
for
of an
Hero.
MSFC season as many
Then
expected,
you
there's
got
no doubting
chicane
Hero's
kind of
talent.
thinnish.
Looking
Chicane
really
kind of
good through
thinnish.
those chicanes.
I believe those have been
Through
used
the
in
two
Electron Expressway and Tumult
alternate
Turnpike
turns
in
through the
Marbula
second
1.
sector,
And now invisible track
27.54,
parts.
and now
Okay.
into the invisible
Hard
sector, the
turns.
trademark feature of the Camo Hiders track.
Okay, that looks
Through the
decent. There
bumpers,
might even be
loose.
split
Glade
paths
will
in there that
here
we just
choose.
can't
Hero
see.
chooses the
But it looks all
inside.
right there.
And
These
I
paths
would
here I
say
think
that
are going
looked
to be
like a
decently
very
equal.
good lap to me. This is the
This is a
longest
long
run
race.
on the
Wow.
season. Hero
It's going
will
to be a
come across with a
50:77.
50.77. I would imagine that
Wow,
is a
crazy
very
time.
strong time
This
to
is a
beat.
really long track. It might
And
be the
we have
longest one we've
time
ever
back
had.
in the booth, so we are going to go in reverse championship order. Next up is Showmaker of the Shadowhunters, and what a brutal season it has
Showmaker
been
now.
for the Shadowhunters. But Showmaker has been their better racer this season. We'll see
Okay.
if he has
Yeah, this
anything
actually
left in
looks
the
like a
tank.
solid
Two
track.
races
Even the
to
invisible
go.
track
It's certainly too late for them to make a
parts
charge
look
to the
good.
top half of the
Look like they
standings,
raced
but
well
even
from
just
Hero, at least.
overtaking maybe the Moon Melodies or
It's going to be
undercutting them
interesting to
would
follow
take them
action
to
in
this
there.
point.
But this looks like a good
27th
track
place,
so far.
reverse
Just very
sector.
long and windy, kind of.
Through
Reminds
the
me a little bit
chicanes,
of
that's what I'm talking
Greenstone
about.
if it was
Hero
more
threaded
open.
the needle
Season 1
perfectly
Greenstone, that is.
through
Modern
those
Greenstone is
chicanes.
just
Did that
horrid. Marbula 1
absolutely
was.
beautifully. Showmaker not
Alright.
so much. Back 3.3
333
seconds
behind.
through the invisible sector.
Okay.
Will Showmaker make the same decision that Hero did? Yes.
I feel like it's
Also
going to be the
opted
side
for that
most
port
marbles go
side
to just
line.
based on where the
This
bumpers
is
are.
certainly not going to be
But
Hero's time. It'll be interesting to see
it's going to be like
how
a
it stacks up.
54?
Showmaker will
55 even.
finish
Wow.
with a
55.
55.74.
7-4. Just under 5 seconds
Next up, it
behind
is
Hero.
Glaive of the
Now we got
Moon
Glaive of the Moon
Melodies.
Melodies, I guess.
And it has not been a great season for Glaive or for
Moon
the
Melodies
Melodies,
hosted
but
the
Glaive,
last
with
track before
most
this
of
one, Tidal
the
Glow
top
Circuit,
teams
which
using
is
their better
always awesome.
racer,
Gollum did
quote
a, well,
unquote
not
better
Gollum, I
racer,
suppose did a
for
very good job commentating
the last
at that.
race at Tidal Glow Circuit, actually the Moon Melodies track.
Here we go.
Glaive is actually, at least on paper, one of the better racers in the field today.
Really?
So definitely a chance for them, and
I think
that
Black
was
Rose is
much
in this
more
one,
like what
so
we
that
saw
sounds a little
Hero
weird.
do. Not quite as
Is Black Rose
fast.
in this one?
They're still going to be back by about a
Yeah, I
second and
think
a half,
Black
maybe
Rose is
2
running this
seconds.
race.
2 seconds.
So it'll
But this
be
is still
interesting
looking pretty strong.
to see. It's either Black Rose or
Seems to
Chipper,
most likely
obviously,
be
but
the second best time. Will
I don't
Glaive be
think that
able to
was
get
too
through this
great.
third
Probably a
sector
little bit
cleanly?
better than
Glaive thought about
Showmaker. That
taking
was
that time
tricky
as
there.
it looked like, but they're just going to play it safe.
Okay.
Will it pay off?
Decent
Looks
bounce
like a
there.
pretty
This is going
strong
to
time.
slot
It's not
into
going to be
second for now
Hero,
with a
but it will be Showmaker.
53-52 for Glaive.
53.51.
5-1.
Slotting
That
Connor Blue to
bottom
second place. I
pylon there
think it is
isn't
pretty
accurate,
safe
which
to
is great.
say
Okay,
that
it is
Hero
Black
put
Rose.
together an amazing
All
time,
right,
but
here we
we're
go.
about to find out for sure now with Black Rose up. Black Rose slumped to begin the season, but
Here
has
they go.
started to come around in his last few races.
Looking pretty
Back-to-back top half
fast through this
finishes.
section.
It'll be interesting to see if
Hopefully they'll be able to pull off a
he
good
has
one. That's a
really
fast
found his
Q1.
groove after a slump
0.9
early.
ahead
Black Rose
abouts.
is purple through the first sector.
Not a great
How will he
turn
approach the
there.
chicanes? Now looking fantastic.
Yeah,
Probably
not
the
great through
third
sector number
fastest
2
we've seen
there.
so far
Gonna
through the
lose
second
time. Maybe
sector.
behind Hero, maybe not. Oh yeah, it's
This should
probably gonna be
show you
behind Hero.
time.
1.6 back,
1.7 back.
even.
This is going to be close with Glaive, it looks like.
Okay. With a
Through the
good sector
invisible
3,
sector. Will we
they
see our first marble
could
take that outside
do
line?
decent. Oh, that's behind
All three
Glaive
marbles so far
at
have
this
opted for
point.
the
Okay.
inside, and Black Rose will as well.
Inside, how is their end of this lap gonna
Will it
be?
pay off?
They don't seem to be taking any of the turns too well.
This is going to be close with Glaive. It will
Ooh.
not be Hero, and it will not be Glaive.
That was actually just barely
Pass
ahead
at
of Showmaker. Wow,
55.40.
collapse in the final 2 sectors. But that does show that Black Rose has potential on this track,
Not a
so
great showing for Black
it'll be
Rose, as
interesting to
this
see how
sector
they
is
do in the
very
race. I
chaotic, and I
sincerely
agree.
doubt that's going to make Q2.
Next up, it will be the Motown
Dart,
Madness
I
with
think, is going to run
Darkfire.
here. Yep, Dart with
It
the
is the
Motown
team in the
Madness.
Motown Madness as of late have been slowly drifting back after a phenomenal start to the season. Not even really any terrible finishes. It's just been consistent bottom half
Very quick
finishes, and
through
it
the
has
start
just
here
not been enough
for
to
Dart.
keep them at the top of the
They're
standings where
looking
they were
good,
fighting
and I
with
think
the
that's
Chameleon for
purple.
a little bit.
Yep,
Dart now is purple through the first
1.04
sector.
ahead through sector number 1, and now they're kind of
How
making the same
will
mistake
Clear
Black Rose did.
approach the
Oh,
chicane?
that was actually
Good
good
through
through
the
that
first
chicane there.
chicane. Not looking too
Good through
bad.
that one as well,
How will the time
and
shake out?
I could
Still, even though
very
Dart
easily
went through
see
pretty
this
well, that
being...
just
Oh,
goes
it's
to show
still
you
bad.
how
Okay.
good Hero got through it.
At this
1.6
point,
back.
Dart is just barely ahead of the
This could
pace that Black
still
Rose was
be
on,
a potential
but they're
second place
probably going to
time.
do better in the final bit here. We'll
Dart
see. Ooh, very slow
also opting
through
to
that
depart
little
pit
bet.
side. That seems to be by far the more popular of the two lanes.
Okay. That was very
But
slow.
Dart not looking
And that's
particularly
going to be
quick through the
behind
first
Glaive and
sector.
probably Black Rose as well. This might
Lost
actually
it
slot to
all to
last. I
third,
think it
and that
will,
would have
yes.
put
Dart goes to
Dart in
last for
last
now.
place just
Purple in
behind
Sector 1, but
Showmaker.
could not hold on to it.
56.04.
I think we've seen so far
Well,
that
I
Sector
mean, a
3
team
is
that
probably
should
the
have
most
went earlier,
important
but it has
of all of
opted
them.
to go
Ooh,
later.
Clear.
Oh man, Clear, get onto the conveyor belt. There you
Struggling,
go.
okay.
It is Clear
Of
of the Iron
Iron
Brotherhood.
Brotherhood, as Fire just said there. Here we
And
go.
Iron Brotherhood has been an absolutely dreadful season after so much promise, both in season 1 of the MSFC and the
Solid
MSFL.
through.
Carter has never been
Yeah,
able to
that's
replicate
not too great.
his
It's going to be
season 1
behind by
performance. Not
half a
necessarily
second.
being terrible, he just hasn't been able to reach his season 1 heights, and Clear has been no replacement for Dart.
Okay.
Although Clear looks good through the second
This is
sector.
a quick second sector.
How will the time shake out compared to Hero?
That's purple in
Not
sector
bad. That's
2.
the
Not
second
quite,
best
really.
time either
Wow, I
team
thought it
went
was going to
back.
be.
This is the
Goodness,
second
Hero had
fastest time
very
entering the
good
invisible
second and
sector.
third sectors, I think.
Will Clear be able to finish it out? Another marble
I could
that opts
very
to the
easily see Clear
inside. It
getting
was interesting. We saw a
second or
pretty
third here.
mixed field in practice, but
Okay.
I guess all the marbles have just
This is
agreed
going to
that
be
the inside is the way to go. With
53.
Clear lost a bit of the
And
pace
that's
that he
second
had,
for Clear.
will
Nicely done.
qualify second just in front of Glaive,
2.4
though.
behind
Good job for
Hero.
Clear. Next up, it is Opal and the
Okay,
Night
Opal.
Raid. With all due respect
My
to Opal,
wager
it
with
has been
Opal
Team
is this. If
Kinesis
they
this
place top
season.
4 in a
Although
race, I will
Kinesis
make
having
the
an off day,
Opal Night Raid
and
Marble my
the last
profile
few races
picture
have tied up
until
pretty
Opal's
soon.
next race. And then if
The
they
Night
place
Raid are
top 4,
banking on
we run it
Opal
back.
to
Goodness
have a good
gracious
race.
sakes
Oh
alive.
my
What on
goodness, what a
earth was
first
that?
sector.
Okay.
2.1 in front of
Please
Hero.
collapse. Please fall off of a cliff, Opal. That was
But
just too good. Yep.
not
Okay,
able
already
to keep
falling.
it up through the second
That was
sector.
ridiculously fast sector number
Opal
1,
lost
though.
all of
They
their
lost a ton of time
advantage
here, though.
and then some.
Yeah, 2 seconds
1.9 back,
lost
but
in
can
sector
still
2. 4
complete
seconds,
a
actually,
good
now that I think about
second
it.
position if Opal can have a solid third sector.
Okay, this is kind
Which
of
line
weird.
will Opal choose?
Ooh,
She chooses the
far line
outside.
for Opal. Is it going to pay off? This
How
will give
will
them a
it
whole
pay
lot more
off?
speed down the stretch
Not looking
here
great through that final turn.
as the clock continues to count
This is
upwards.
going
This is
to
going to be
be
a
in the 55s.
55,
Where will it shake out?
and they're going to slot in
55
between
side
Black
line.
Rose and Showmaker
Behind
for
Black
now.
Rose, but in front of
5th
Showmaker.
place for Opal.
It's
Very
not
fast
awful,
sector
and I'm
1, though.
sure the Night Raid are fine with that.
Didn't look quite that fast, but
Sure, many
yeah,
fans did
purple.
not see this coming. It is the Icy Hots with Jasper.
Jasper the Icy
And although
Huts.
Jasper hasn't been fantastic this season,
Here we
Nova
go.
has certainly
Entrusting the
proved that they
invisible track to
still
see if
got it
Jasper
in the
can conquer it.
MSFC. What an
Oh, this is
incredible
going to be
performance
interesting.
Nova has
Ooh,
put up in
slower through that
cardio
cloverleaf kind
setting.
of formation. They are
And now
evergreen
Jasper
through
is
sector number 1.
pivoting
Hero did not
Hero
have a
through the
great
first
sector 1
sector.
in their run.
And Jasper looks
Oh, they're looking
great
clean
through the
here, though.
chicanes. It's all
Pretty
about
clean through that
placement
turn as well, and
and
that's going to be
accuracy
27
through
through
that second
there.
sector.
And
And
they
Jasper
lost
nailed
nor
it,
gained
still
no
ahead
time
with
in the
Hero.
second sector.
This is the
Still
first
dead
time
even
that
with
we've
Hero. This is the
seen
first time we've had
what
anyone be
poses a
this
real
close.
threat to Hero's spot at the top.
Very slow through those
Jasper looking a little bit
bumpers.
hesitant when he needed to pick a lane. I don't think this is
Yeah,
going
this
to
isn't going to
quite
beat
be
Hero.
Hero. And slow through that final
Probably,
turn. It will
will that
not
even
be
be
Hero.
second? This is going to be a
Will it be enough for
53.
second place?
And that puts him in third. All
Yo,
right.
falling
Black Rose
just
knocked out of
behind
the
clear, but
shootout
still
for
able
pole.
to
That was
earn
kind of
him a top
expected.
4 spot.
Fifth for now.
Not a bad running for
But yeah,
Jasper.
Jasper, nice run there.
13.42.
Third place
Now
for
up,
now is
it is
Jasper. 0.
Zero
Okay.
of Starry Sky.
So
And
Zero has had
Zero,
one good race
after
so
the
far this season.
worst
All the rest have been
start
absolutely
possible, finishing
horrendous.
dead last in
So I don't
both
think
of
Zero
his
is going to be a
previous
ton of a threat.
races,
They could be.
has
We saw Opal
quietly
get a very,
finished
very
7th
fast
and
sector
6th
one. So
in their
maybe
last 2
Zero could be
races.
good. I don't know.
And that has
We'll find
been
out.
what has enabled
They're
Starry
looking
Sky
pretty
to
fast-ish.
vault up the
Oh, very
standings
bad.
and
Start of that turn there. If you can
starting
carry
to
speed
enter
into
the
that, you'll have a
race
whole
from the
lot
top. But Zero
more of
looks
an
very
edge
slow through the first sector.
going into the
1.5
second
back of
sector.
Hero.
And Zero already not doing
Rolling
well.
through the chicanes, not great.
Good lines through the chicanes,
Looking
just
a
not
little bit
having a ton
quicker
of
at the end
speed.
of it, but this is still
Okay.
far back of Hero.
3.8
3.8
seconds
seconds
there.
through the invisible sector.
How's that doing? Okay, it's going to be 40
Is it
seconds
Hero?
coming
Is
out
it
of the
worth just
invisible
taking a
section.
gamble and going outside?
They're going to go
Zero
outside,
thinks so.
just like Opal
Gonna
did
go for
earlier.
it.
Both marbles that have something to
Will
prove,
the
trying
gamble
to
pay off? Looking good through the exit.
be strange and
Hold
work.
on.
Oh, hold up.
Zero salvaged it.
Nice run. Okay.
55.06
Fifth place
will
for now.
put them
That's weird.
firmly
I
in the
don't know what to think of
middle
that.
the
I'm kind of scared
standings.
now that Zero's just going to be
Zero
goaded for the
took the
race, but
outside and
all
it
right.
paid off. With
Black
that
Rose down to
time, though,
6th.
Hero is in
Hawk
the
of Team
battle for
Fire next up.
pole. Now up, it is Hawk for Team Fire.
How are they going to do?
And Hawk, you've got to imagine, you've got to ask, is this the biggest competition that he has participated in since season 1, where he competed in sprint while Team Fire was in the midst of a championship battle?
Well, they are
and Hero is green through the first
green.
sector.
Sector
Or
1.
Hawk, rather, sorry.
Fire misnamed his
And
own
Hawk
marble.
looking good through the
Okay.
chicanes. It has not
This
been
could
a
be
good season
good.
for Hawk as an individual, but he can make up for
Still
it
green.
if he can keep this pace up and potentially
Invisible
vault
sector
Team
now. Here we
Fire
go.
into the championship battle more so than they already are.
How are they doing? That's fast through
36 ahead
there.
of Hero.
Oh,
Which
they're going to
line
take
will
the
Hawk
outside
choose? He
line.
goes
Okay.
outside. He wants it all.
They can keep the speed through here. This could be
How
very
will it
good.
pay off? This is going to be
Oh.
close with
Oh, this
Hero.
is a good run from Hawk.
I don't think
Not
it's
going
going
to
to be
beat.
Hero.
Yeah, not quite.
It
2/10
just
off.
falls
Wow.
short,
Very nicely
but
done by Hawk.
Hawk is in the
Hawk has made the
battle
battle for pole
pole.
guaranteed.
When Team Fire
Top
needed
2.
him to step up,
Team
he
Fire, because of that,
does.
now is a very good shot at the
2
title.
racers to go, and first up it is Magnum. Klaus
Magnum of
currently
Klaus.
tied with
Here
the
we go.
Pantheon for the championship lead, and this might just be the biggest lap of Magnum's MSFC career. He is off. It has been mostly bedlam for Klaus this season, but Magnum has been very respectable. Basically a perfect replacement for FOMO for that duo.
Not great through here. It's going to be
Through the first
13.
sector, Magnum
They're
is
in the green, though.
but doesn't seem to be
Ooh, not
set
good
up
for
that well
sector
for the
2 at
second
the
sector.
start.
How will he approach
Chicanes,
the
you want to stay.
Clean through the first one. This isn't looking
You want to
that
stay
great,
close to
but
the
it's
near
not
wall for
looking
the
bad
first one and
either.
far wall for the outs for the
How
second,
far back
or
will he
vice
be
versa.
of the leader Hero?
2.72 off.
This could be a pretty solid time.
They can
If
gain
he
some
have a good
time
third sector
on
through the
Jasper in the final
invisible
sector,
part of the
and they
track.
could make the final shootout for pole.
Which
Here we
line
go.
will Magnum take?
It's going to be the inside
it looked
line.
like he wasn't entirely sure which
It was a little
route he
weird,
wanted to
but
take.
okay.
And that seems to have slowed him down a bit.
I don't think Magnum's not making the
Magnum
shootout.
is not
54.98.
going to make it to the battle for pole. He's
6th place for
across
Magnum.
at a 59.46.
And Hero, Hawk, and Clear are guaranteed
mid-pack.
pole shootout here. We got Alpha.
And lastly, it is Alpha
here
of the Pantheon.
Either they will make the pole shootout
Alpha's
or
off.
Jasper will.
Had his best race of the season at Icy Mountain, and Alpha is very consistent as the season goes along. He's very consistent at improving.
Okay.
He is 0.14 back
Not
of the
bad
leader
through
Hero,
sector
but
1.
that is a pretty strong first sector. Through the
Solid
chicanes,
through
Alpha
that
not
one.
looking that great,
It was fine, Fire. Calm down.
but still able to keep the
It's going
speed
to
up,
be
even though the
28,
chicanes
and they
weren't
are
ideal. He's
0.7
only
off. 0.8.
0.78 back. That's a very good time.
Here we go.
This could easily be enough for a battle for pole spot.
How's that
Which
looking?
line will Alpha take?
Inside, a little bit of bounding around there, though.
53.19 is the time to be. And
they're
he
good.
looks
They're
like
good.
he's got it.
That's going to be third, I'm going to guess.
Alpha's got it.
Third place
Here's
for
the
Alpha,
cross
yep.
at 52,
Solid time for them.
6-0.
Solid,
He is
solid.
into the
Black
battle
Rose
for
only
pole.
ninth,
He
not great.
slots
Hopefully they'll be able to
third.
climb during the race. They've shown that they can do it in the past. But here we go.
2-lap battle for pole. Hero, Hawk, Alpha, and Clear. Hero gets a great jump off the belt and takes the lead.
I'm kind of rooting for Team Fire in this one. I'm going to be honest. I feel like Team Fire could
now rivals.
pull off the duplicate.
Pulling away now.
Just like, I think Pantheon did. Yeah, Pantheon did. With winning MSFC Season 1 and MSFL Season 4. I think Team Fire could win MSFC here and then MSFL Season 5 as well. So.
Hawk, another former Team Fire member. Here
Ooh, nice run by Clear.
Perfectly done. Clear moves into
Pass and Hawk there. This feels so weird, the track that just doesn't exist.
Sector. Which path will Marbles take? Hero
outside. Is that going to pay off for him or not? They're looking slow.
Doesn't seem to be okay. Off. He's going to have some momentum.
That's going to be the thing. If they can propel one of the other marbles forward, okay.
Get around Hawk, but not around
That was a little weird. And Hero, trouble onto the belt, and Hawk moves back up into second. Alpha is just dead. I can't even see him. Okay, Alpha's way back.
And who would have believed that Clear
doing well. Hero with a lot of speed now, though.
Now, Hero gets around.
This could be interesting. Clear looks good.
Is pulling away with
They're going to have some very poor
through the chicanes.
And here. Hero with more speed.
Hero is through the chicanes well. It's not over, but Clear just needs to have a clean third sector, and
that'll be very impressive though for Iron Brotherhood. That's the team that Marble does indeed play for.
Well out of it.
Where's Clear gonna go? Clear outside. Okay, Hero.
But he seems to have more speed
doing Clear wins it. There it is. All right.
About that?
GG.
Clear.
Nicely done by Clear.
At Chameleon Crosspaths.
Did not expect that. Wow.
Hero will qualify on the front row.
Very solid performance there.
And in a distant fourth is Alpha.
For these marbles.
Alpha will still be in fourth place regardless.
All right. Now for the race.
Ladies and
Hello, y'all. That's how I usually start these, I guess. I don't know why, but this is the Chameleon Crosspaths Grand Prix. I'm going to have so much fun trying to spell that in my video title, but okay. Whatever works. Clear of the Iron Brotherhood won pole position here. Black Rose of the Wyvern Rumble, my team that I always want to do well, is in 9th. Just barely ahead of Opal, so... Invisible track pieces here, split paths, and a very speedy first sector. It'll be very interesting to see how this goes.
For those three, including the Camo Hiders, who are not out of it either, to vault up in the championship standings and join the battle to win it all.
Here we go.
Are you ready? Marbles
Fire!
The thumbs up from the pole sitter. Today it's Clear.
It is Clear indeed.
And we're
here we go.
Chameleon Crosspaths. A chaotic bounce through the first sector.
Goodness, that was very chaotic. Hawk in front, let's go. Stop the count.
Hero in third.
Hawk winning in Black Rose in 5th. Black Rose now up into 3rd, and there's the lead. What is this madness, dude? Hold up. I might like this racetrack or I might hate it, I don't know. But already in lap 1, I am concerned for my sanity. Let's do this, alright.
Won second place from Clear, not able to get it yet.
What was that first lap? What was that first sector? Dude, that's madness. Okay. Ooh, Black Rose in 3rd at the moment. These bumpers, however, are going to do a lot of weird stuff. Alright, here we go. 0. Why are you there? Why are you existing? Why are you good? Quit it. It's annoying and inconvenient. Okay. Ooh. 0 up there. Black Rose and Hero all side by side there. For this one, Hero had more speed through there, but managed to bump Black Rose forward through that turn. Now the Clover leaves 0 with a bunch of speed, bumping into Black Rose, who is now up on Clear. Top 3 starting to separating themselves just a little bit. Alright, Clear with a lot of speed towards Hawk now. Slow through the chicanes for most of the marbles. Clear briefly took the lead there, it looks like. However, they've lost it back out now. For much of this, I just can't see Black Rose, and the invisible track doesn't help, but okay. Oh,
the
this is an
championship
epic
battle.
race.
The
Ooh,
top
different
two take different
sides for Hawk
lines.
and
It's always
Clear.
interesting to see which line proves to be the
Clear
quicker one.
definitely better through that one.
Clear had some
Here we go.
separation, is able to use that to
Yeah,
lay
if you
down
can
the
get in the
block. Black
outside
Rose in
line with a decent
third,
amount of speed,
Glaive in
you're going to be
fourth, and
good.
it's
Hawk takes
Zero
the
hitting
lead
fifth.
right back as they come off the
But
belt,
Zero
though.
has some trouble getting onto the belt. Side by side for sixth.
Okay, at this
Between
point, I'm just
Hawk
kind of
and
hoping
or
Black Rose
between
doesn't
Hero
die
and
at the end of
Magnum,
this
but
race
Alpha
and
actually
still has a
takes it.
decent running
Back up
position.
front, Hero is
I can't
Hawk is
see him.
taking the
Oh, there
lead
they
back
are.
and is pulling
All
away
right.
from Clear.
Ooh. Clear, Black Rose, and Defiant, I believe that is all
In
pretty close
second is
there.
Clear, but that
Ooh.
advantage is not
Clear
safe.
lost a decent
Black
amount of
Rose and
speed
Glaive
there.
close by.
Okay. Ooh, good bump from
Black Rose
Glaive for
perfectly
Black
lays down the
Rose.
block on Glaive
Trying
there
to
through
make some ground
chicanes.
for second place. Hawk
And
starting to
Magnum
pull
has
away.
fallen
They have a
all the way
decent
back
gap there.
to dead
Magnum's in last
last.
now.
Oh my
Goodness
goodness,
gracious.
would that be a big
This track is
shakeup.
just ridiculous.
Up front,
That's
it is a
all I can
huge
say
lead at the
about
moment
this.
for Hawk. The next
Ooh.
two take the outside to try to get some
Okay,
momentum built
Glaive,
up
I
on
think,
him.
is probably going to
In
make
fact,
one,
many
maybe two
marbles seem to
passes
be
here.
taking the outside.
Um,
Jasper, Alpha, and Showmaker
how'd
are
that go
among
there?
the
No,
ones
they
that try to
briefly
make
made a
the
pass,
inside
but
work.
didn't have the speed
Look at
to
that momentum for
retain
Hero,
it.
who moves up
Hawk is way
past
ahead. Wow,
Alpha and
okay.
Jasper.
That could be an
Up
issue.
front, look at the lead for Hawk.
I mean, that's awesome for Team Fire. Team Fire's going to love that.
Hero
Especially
trying
Fire
to hold
Marble,
off
who's
Alpha.
commentating
That
at the
is a
moment.
big
But yeah,
championship battle
it's kind of
to
crazy.
watch right there. And now using
All
that
right,
momentum
just
to
barely
close in on
seeing
the two
Black
marbles in
Rose
front of him.
at
Glaive
times.
and
Ooh,
Zero.
right up on clear there, then
And
lost a
Hero
ton of
is
speed through
around
that
both of
section.
them.
But they have a little bit more here.
And now trying to
This is
close in
weird.
on Black
Oh,
Rose
actually,
and
Hawk's lead
Clear,
has
who are
come
both trying
down,
to
and now
close in
that is
on
Hero
Hawk, who has
moving up
not had a good lap.
fourth place, and they're going to try and make a charge
5
for the
laps to
podium
go,
now.
next time
Here we
by.
go.
Which line will Hawk take? He takes the inside. So
Black
will
Rose
all of
moving
the top
up
four,
into
and Black
second for
Rose
now.
moves into second.
How's that exit looking? Not great, but
Hero also
passable.
trying to close in.
Okay.
5 laps to go for Hawk.
Oh, Hero, a little bit of trouble
Black
getting onto
Rose
the
in
belt, so they're
second.
going to lose a
The top
length or
4 seem to
3.
be pretty well pronounced.
All right.
Alpha in 5th. And
I didn't hear
Magnum
something
is
about
still
pronunciation.
in
Fire probably made a
last.
great and epic
That would
and
be huge for
admirable
the
joke, but I
Pantheon and
missed it, so I don't really
especially for
care.
Team
Here we
Fire.
go. Come on, Black Rose. You are in
Second,
second.
third, and fourth. Very close, but
Decent
Hawk
speed
has
through
found
there.
breathing room again.
If you can stick
How
to that
long will that
line,
last? It
you'll
just
be
takes
doing all
one
right.
great
Oh, that was a
chicane from the marbles
very
behind them.
fast
And
Black Rose
as
to the
I'm saying
lead.
that, Black
Black Rose
Rose
to the
takes
lead,
the
Chameleon.
lead.
Crosspaths,
Absolutely
golden track.
beautifully
All
done
right,
by
here we
Black
go.
Rose. Coming up 4 laps to go. Hawk is still
Hawk
right
right
there,
there,
but Hawk
though.
has got to be very careful through the bumpers.
Okay. Both
Hawk
taking the
is going
same
to
line
follow
there.
Black Rose's lead, taking the
Black Rose
inside,
managing
but
with more
paces Black
speed
Rose
through there. Now is
forwards.
a decent gap.
Black Rose has some breathing room
Okay,
now.
okay.
Clear is going to hold on to third.
The
Hero
Fraud
tried
Rose
to get up and
allegations
block
may
in
be
time, but it didn't
silenced
happen.
temporarily. Here we go.
4 laps to go for Black Rose.
4 laps. You can keep it for 4
Alpha has
laps. Even a
overtaken
podium would
Glaive
be
for
awesome,
5th.
okay? 4 laps,
And
Black
trying
Rose.
to
That's
get
all we
by
need. All
Hero
we
for
need.
4th.
4 laps.
Up front, it's Black Rose, but
Keep
Hawk
your
is
lead.
not
4
out of it.
laps.
And
Come on.
Clear slow through the first
Come
sector.
on.
Hero is going to run into
Hawk's
them,
got
which
speed.
is going to allow them to
If you need to,
stay in
let him push
third.
you.
But
Let him push you.
that
Just like that. Just like
really
that.
took
Just like
Clear's
that.
momentum
Oh, they
away.
make the pass.
Hawk
Okay.
takes
That's
the
okay.
lead
That's okay. You can
away
come back. You can
as
come
they
back.
head
I
through
know
the
Black Rose can't see
chicanes.
me, and this was recorded like 3 days ago.
It
This
is
video has been up,
still
and I'm
Hero in
watching it
fourth,
late.
Alpha
I
in
am
fifth,
still,
Zero
however, so
again looking
stinking
for
hyped at the
their
moment.
second straight top half finish.
Second for Black Rose at the
And it's
moment.
still Magnum in last.
Hawk and Black Rose top 2
takes the
here.
outside, so will
Ooh,
Black Rose.
not great speed for either of them. Clear goes to the inside. That's
Clear is
probably
going
going
to
to
take the
do
inside. So does Hero.
decent for
So
them.
will no one. I thought Alpha was going to take it,
Okay.
but they took
Hawk
the
with a big
outside,
lead at the
and
moment.
that allowed Zero to get by.
A little
And
bit of a
Zero now going to
rough
try to get by
exit.
Hero, but has trouble
But
getting
Hawk and
under the
Black
belt.
Rose
Not able to
still
yet.
very
3
much your
laps to
top
go
2.
for Hawk.
No one really within striking distance.
What a
Clear
huge
decent
wrench
there.
Hawk could throw into the championship
But
battle right now. With 3 more clean
okay, I would
laps.
not be
Clear
mad at
closing
all
in
if
on
Hawk
Black
wins this. I would
Rose.
obviously love Black Rose to win because, I mean,
But
it's
not going
Black
to be able to
Rose.
get by
Ooh,
yet.
nice bump there
Pinches
from
Black
Clear for
Rose
Black Rose.
forwards.
They're going to get a
That's
decent
going to
amount of
allow
speed
Hero to
through
close
the end
in.
of Sector 2
And
here.
Hero is not by
Oh,
yet.
Hero's right up there
Gonna
with
try to
Clear. They make
dive
the
to the bottom bottom,
pass.
beautifully done by Hero. They
And the
will get a
hometown
third.
hero, who is Hero?
Coming to 2 laps to go, the
Trying to
Hawks
gain
lead
some
has come
positions
down.
here. Hawk and Black Rose both outside. Hawk has shown that they are probably better on this outside line. So maybe Black Rose is going to have to try and beat him on the inside at some point here. Maybe not, though. It'll depend on how it goes. Black Rose has closed the gap this lap, and they are now just one step behind. Hawk coming off into this lap. Here we go. Better jump. Black Rose to the lead now. 2 laps remain in this race, and Wyvern Rumble could have their first race win of MSFC Season 2.
Clear is falling into the clutches of
Okay, 2 laps. Come on, 2 laps. Well, actually, more like 1.5 by this point, but yeah, okay.
And Black Rose
decent chicanes for Black Rose. Decent chicanes.
But
Hawk gaining speed. Hero with a lot of it as well. Black Rose is going to have a hard time keeping their lead with all of the high-level talent right behind him. Okay.
Black Rose takes
inside line for Black Rose, and they did it with a decent amount of speed too. So Hawk slow with the outside, and I think Black Rose is going to keep the lead by the end of this lap. They get a good entrance onto the belt, and Hawk has a little bit of a tricky one. All right, here we go. Black Rose. Last season, lost the individual championship by 1 point to Bedlam. Now has a chance to silence the naysayers, the Fraud Rose allegations. It's been around for seasons. This could be it. Come on.
Hawk is slow through the first sector. Opportunity for Hero and maybe
Black
for
Rose.
Showmaker.
I think the race is wrapped up. I think Black Rose wins, which is fantastic. I'm overjoyed.
Rose got this race locked down.
Hero and Hawk.
But not able to
now,
get by Hawk yet.
Dueling back here, almost able to make the pass there, not quite, however. Now we have Showmaker of the Shadow Hunters, the worst team this season by far.
Black Rose,
moving up.
Your dominance has returned.
Where are they?
Are gonna
Where is it?
At Chameleon.
Yeah, Black Rose wins. I want to see it. I want to see. Where?
Hero taking the
there
inside.
It is.
Showmaker
Black Rose, let's go.
Hero,
all right. Okay.
The block is laid down, and Hawk will take
borderline
second.
Considering trading them. Not anymore.
Showmaker
no, Black Rose.
It is
wins Chameleon Crosspaths. Beautiful. Hawk, Hero, and Showmaker. Rest of your top 4. Then we got Clear, Magnum, Zero, Glaive, Opal, Dart, Alpha, and dead last.
Alpha finishes 11.
Who's going to be dead last here? Jasper? Oh, Jasper. Oh, that was actually way back for Jasper.
The championship battle has been blown
this is crazy. This is nuts. Hold up. Okay. But yeah, Team Fire is now 100% championship contenders. Camo Hiders as well. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Let's go. Okay. Wyvern Rumble up. Couple spots still technically in contention, but not really. Team Fire, Klaus, and Pantheon is your top 3. Team Fire. Oh, I still want Team Fire to win. I want Team Fire to win MSFC. I mean, Wyvern Rumble is still technically in the fight, so I want them to win, obviously. But Team Fire winning MSFC, peak cinema right there. Okay, I'm going to go celebrate in the Discord spoilers chat. Let's go! Black Rose with the dub.